Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a great way to earn money quickly. With effective strategies, you can reach earnings of $10,000 fast. Choosing the right niche is crucial. Use tools to discover high demand and low competition areas. Popular niches include personal development, health, and financial literacy. Low-content books like planners or journals are also lucrative. Quality is key. Create non-fiction books that solve problems or teach skills, along with compelling fiction. Consider outsourcing writing or design tasks if necessary for the best result. Publishing multiple books can increase visibility and sales. Aim for 5 to 10 books in your first year. A strong cover is vital. Use design tools to create eye-catching visuals that draw in readers. Optimize your listings with relevant keywords for titles and subtitles to increase visibility. Amazon ads can boost sales. Start with a small budget for ads and monitor the results. Promote your books through social media platforms and build an email list. Encourage customer reviews and respond to feedback to improve sales. Expand your income with print and audiobook formats using Amazon services. Analyze sales data to refine your strategies and optimize your content for success. By focusing on quality content and effective marketing, it's achievable to earn $10,000 on Amazon KDP.